Hi everyone, welcome to this Earth Resonance meditation. This is a meditation for listening to nature. So I invite you to, when you can, find a space in nature. This doesn't have to be the wilderness. This can be somewhere with cars. This can be somewhere with other people, other sounds, but just somewhere you can get in contact with the earth, so with the natural ground. So find your seat, making sure you're warm enough, making sure you're comfortable, somewhere you can start to observe and start to listen to nature. So I invite you now to sit with me for the next few moments and enjoy just tuning in and listening to nature. So find yourself a comfortable seated position. Just finding your seat. Just take a few moments as you settle just to look around you, notice the space you're in, notice your environment, the colours and the textures and tones, and all the wonderful shapes which nature presents itself, all those vibrational forms and patterns. This is a meditation for listening, so I'd like you now to close your eyes. Just allow your breath to be gentle and soft. No particular effort, just allowing the breath to flow in and flow out. And as you settle into the breath, just noticing any sounds that you hear around you. Allowing all the sounds to be part of this, so whether it's people's voices, neighbours, cars, just allowing those to be part of this soundscape of life. Breath nice and gentle and free. And as you sit, just listening to all the sounds of nature that we're blessed with. At first we notice the obvious, maybe the birds singing, and enjoying those sounds. Breath flowing nice and easy. As we settle into our practice, you may begin to hear other sounds, the more subtle sounds of nature. Taking your time to notice this, no rush. And as you tune your awareness into the sounds of nature, you find more and more you begin to settle. You tune into the resonance of nature. Sometimes it takes a while for those mental fluctuations to settle, for the mind to stop racing and running. Just give yourself the opportunity now just to listen and settle. If you find yourself labeling or thinking about the sounds you hear, see if you can let go of this also. Just listening with a mind of pure observation. Sounds are just sounds. Breath flowing gentle and free. Just listening to what nature has to offer for you today. I'm going to allow the breath to become just a little bit stronger. Breathing a little more deeply. And as you do so, just allow this to draw your awareness more to the outside world. And as you do, you'll slowly open your eyes, slowly, bit by bit, allowing your sense of sight to tune in to the space around you. Again, to the colours and textures, those shapes and forms. Just observing the quality of light. I invite you now to maybe spend some more time sitting in nature, enjoying its resonance and listening. For now, thank you.